Silakan klik tombol subscribe dan aktifkan notifikasi pada tombol lonceng supaya tidak tertinggal video seputar misteri dan pembahasan menarik lainnya, dan klik tombol like juga jika sahabat menyukai video ini.
Now another cube was caught exiting wearing say exit, because as you see from this photo GIF, there is a big ejection of solar material shooting out to the sun that is tightly focused on the other end. Look carefully and you will see a cube inside the material coming out of the sun. The cube is not on top of the material, but rather, inside of it. You can only see about 80% of the cube and the other 20% is under the solar material. That is evidence that this UFO cube is a 3D object and not a glitch in the photo. This UFO has been seen entering and exiting our sun, sometimes 100% visible and other times it's 3D and blended into the solar surface of the sun as it entered or exited. It's not a rare occurrence either. It happens several times a week or more. It's hard to believe NASA has managed to hide such information about giant alien ships using our Sunday. And yet, they pull it off. At a size of several times bigger than Earth, the only reason it's managed to stay a secret so long is that it's just so far away from Earth.
Silakan klik tombol subscribe dan aktifkan notifikasi pada tombol lonceng supaya tidak tertinggal video seputar misteri dan pembahasan menarik lainnya, dan klik tombol like juga jika sahabat menyukai video ini.